Hello friends, welcome to toolscorner.com videos. Top 10 best health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural ingredient which is classified under the superfood category. It is a well-known food for health and used by people from ancient times. It protects you from many harmful diseases. Here are some of the benefits of coconut oil. Number 1. Beneficial to heart. The presence of saturated fat in coconut oil is very good for the heart. It protects you from many types of heart diseases by bringing down the bad cholesterol level and also prevents damage to arteries. For this, you have to make it a part of your daily diet. Number 2. Promotes weight loss. Coconut oil is helpful to people who are looking for weight loss as it contains medium chain fatty acids. You can digest it easily, and then there is the healthy function of endocrine and thyroid. If you want weight loss, consume it on a regular basis. Number 3. Strengthens immune system. Coconut oil contains antimicrobial, antiviral and antibacterial properties which strengthen the immune system. Number 4. Treats infections. Coconut oil is very effective in treating infection as it contains antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal compounds. These kill the viruses and harmful bacteria and prevent diseases like throat infection and others. Number 5. Cures kidney diseases. Coconut oil is excellent for the kidneys as it prevents many types of kidney diseases. It also dissolves the kidney stones and makes you again fit and fine. For this benefit, you have to use it in almost every food you take in your daily diet. Number 6. For healthy bones. Coconut oil is great for the bones as it helps in the absorption of minerals such as magnesium and calcium, which are very necessary in developing bones. For healthy bones, consume it on a regular basis. Number 7. Boost energy. Coconut oil boosts up your energy and is mostly used by athletes and bodybuilders for doing strenuous exercises. Further, it also increases metabolism and removes stress. Number 8. Prevents tooth decay. Coconut oil is good for your teeth as it helps in absorbing calcium, which is essential for your teeth. Calcium makes a teeth stronger and stops tooth decay. You can also make it a part of your child's diet. Number 9. Prevention and treatment of diabetes. Coconut oil improves the secretion of insulin and helps in controlling the blood sugar level. It also helps in the utilization of the glucose, which is needed in preventing as well as treating diabetes. Number 10. Helps Alzheimer's patients. Coconut oil boosts up your brain function and helps you in clearing thinking. So it is good for patients suffering from Alzheimer's. They should take it regularly for maximum benefits. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.